One of the questions we get asked is, how does the SMB Booster subscription actually work? So let me explain. Unlike a traditional web design company, we don't just build your website and disappear. Every SMB Booster website comes with your own business hub, giving you the tools to help manage and grow your business. Included with every website is your customer CRM, contact forms, social planner, business tools, training academy, mobile app, and much more. These tools are available for you to use whenever you're ready, and we've created simple training videos to show you exactly how everything works. The great thing about SMB Booster is that you choose how hands-on you'd like to be. If you enjoy updating your own website, adding blog posts, posting to social media, or using the business tools, you can do it yourself whenever you like. If you'd rather not, simply send us the changes and we'll take care of the website updates for you. £25 plan. Our website and business hub plan is just £25 per month. We professionally build your website, host it, keep it secure, and include unlimited minor website updates. Need to change some text, swap photos, add a new section, or change your logo? Just let us know and we'll take care of it. For larger projects, such as complete redesigns, new sales funnels, or advanced setup work, we'll simply provide a fixed quote before we begin. £49 plan. If you'd like your website to start working even harder for your business, our AI voice employee plan includes everything from the business hub, plus an AI assistant that can answer visitors on your website, qualify leads, and help convert more inquiries, even when you're busy. £97 plan. And for businesses that never want to miss another phone call, our AI receptionist plan includes everything in the previous plans, plus your own business phone number and a 24/7 AI receptionist that can answer calls, send text messages, respond to common questions, and even help book appointments. Additional services. We also offer a wide range of additional services, including CRM setup, calendar setup, social media management, Google business optimization, blog writing, paid advertising, AI content, and much more. You simply purchase these whenever you need them. There's no obligation to upgrade. So whether you want to manage everything yourself, have us help from time to time, or let AI handle your inquiries 24 hours a day, SMB Booster grows with your business. Professional website, powerful business tools, flexible support, all starting from just £25 per month. If you'd like to get started, simply choose the plan that's right for you, and we'll build your website completely free.